There are several verbs in chapter 4b for Spanish 1 that are followed by an infinitive. Lots of verbs that are on your list, but we don't really need to know every single form of those verbs, but we do need to know how to use them. And when we use them, they're always followed by an infinitive. So we have a little rule for that in Spanish, and it comes in the form of a rhyme. Here's the rhyme. When two verbs go walking, the first does the talking. Which is cute, but let's break down what that means. What does it mean for the first verb to do the talking? Well, in the example when we learned ir plus a plus infinitive, to say I'm gonna swim, we conjugated the first verb, which was voy. And then swim, we just left that as nada. I'm gonna swim. So the first verb is doing the talking here. The first verb got conjugated for me. The second verb, just leave it in the infinitive. It doesn't do any talking. You've got two verbs there. They're walking together. The first one gets conjugated. The second one, just leave it in the infinitive. So let's change this to another one of the verbs on our list, which was I want. And say, I want to swim. Well, you can see on your list that I want is quiero. Quiero means I want. So to swim, we know that one's just going to stay in its infinitive form. It's not I want I swim. It's I want to swim. So the second verb just stays the infinitive. Only the first one does the talking. How about I know how to swim? On your list, I know is yo sé. The how part of it is implied in the verb in Spanish. I know and I know how is the same thing. So it's just yo sé. And then to swim, once again, is nada. I know to swim. I know how to swim. The first verb gets conjugated, the second one, leave it in the infinitive. What if I have to? I have to swim. That's also on there. Tengo que. Tengo que means I have to. It's one of the expressions on our list. And it's always going to be followed by an infinitive. Tango is already conjugated. It's not I have I swim. It's I have to swim. So we conjugate the first verb, we leave the second one in the infinitive. I prefer is another one that we know. I prefer to swim. I prefer is prefiero. To swim is nadar. And just to round off our list with all the things that we know, I also like to swim. Which is me gusta nadar. That was our original two verbs going walking. First one does the talking example. In this chapter, they've added the word would to this expression and say, I would like to swim. The only difference is instead of me gusta, as you can see on your list, it's me gustaría. Now instead of I like, it's that I would like. And to swim stays to swim, because when two verbs go walking, the first does the talking.